Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Jason, and as always, I'm here with Julia.
Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today. We have a very exciting topic for you.
Yes, today we are talking about something that every English learner struggles with overthinking before speaking.
Exactly. Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but your brain just keeps saying, wait, what if I make a mistake?
Oh, I've been there so many times. And the truth is, this kind of overthinking can stop you from speaking at all.
But don't worry. In this episode, we will show you how to stop thinking too much and start talking in English confidently.
We'll share simple mindset tips, quick practice techniques, and even a live conversation example so you can see how easy it can be to speak.
By the end of this episode, you will feel ready to take action, make small mistakes, and actually start speaking English without fear.
So, if you're ready to stop thinking and start talking, stay with us. All right, Julia, before we start giving solutions, let's talk about the problem itself. Why do so many beginners overthink before speaking English?
I think one big reason is fear of making mistakes. People think, what if I say something wrong? And then they just stay silent.
Exactly! And another reason is trying to be perfect. Beginners want every word, every sentence, and every pronunciation to be 100% correct.
Oh, yes. I remember when I was learning, I would pause for minutes just thinking about the right word. And sometimes I didn't even say anything.
That's very common. Overthinking also happens because people compare themselves with others. They think, I'm not as good as them, so I shouldn't speak.
Right. But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
So the main problem is clear. Overthinking kills confidence. You might know English, but if you don't speak, it doesn't help at all.
And that's why today we're going to focus on practical ways to stop overthinking and start talking. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking action.
Exactly. Small steps, real conversations, and a little courage. That's all it takes. All right, Julia, now that we know why beginners overthink, it's time to talk about the first step to fix it: changing your mindset.
Yes. And the most important mindset shift is it's okay to make mistakes.
Exactly. Many learners feel like every sentence must be perfect. But guess what? Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning.
I love that. I remember when I started speaking English, I would mix up words all the time, and every mistake actually helped me remember the correct way next time.
Absolutely. Think of mistakes as small stepping stones. The more mistakes you make, the faster you improve.
And here's a tip for our viewers. When you make a mistake, don't stop. Just correct it if you can, or keep going. Don't let it stop the conversation.
Right? For example, if you say, I go to the market, instead of stopping, just smile and say, Oops, I went to the market. That's it. Simple.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes to speak naturally without worrying about perfection.
So remember, learners, mistakes are friends, not enemies. The sooner you accept that, the sooner you can stop thinking and start talking. All right, Julia, now that our viewers know it's okay to make mistakes, let's talk about something very practical: how to actually start talking in English.
Yes, and the good news is you don't need a classroom or a native speaker around to practice. You can start right now.
Exactly. Here are some simple techniques. First, talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. Describe what you're doing or thinking out loud.
For example, if you're cooking, you can say, I am chopping onions. I am boiling water. It sounds simple, but it really helps you get comfortable with speaking.
Second, try shadowing. That means you listen to English audio, like a podcast, YouTube video, or a movie, and repeat exactly what you hear.
Oh, yes. This technique helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and natural speaking. You feel like you are part of a real conversation.
And third, use your daily routine as practice. For example, when you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today I will eat breakfast, brush my teeth, and go to work."
I do this every morning. At first, it felt a little strange, but now it's automatic. It also gives you confidence to speak to others.
The key is consistency. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day of speaking out loud will make a big difference over time.
And don't forget, small steps lead to big results. You don't have to speak perfectly, just start speaking.
Exactly. The more you practice, the less scary speaking becomes. All right, Julia. Now it's time for some real practice. Let's show our viewers a small conversation they can try every day.
Yes, let's keep it simple, like two friends talking about their day.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, Julia. How are you today?
I'm good, Jason, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. What did you do this morning?
This morning I woke up at 7, ate breakfast, and went for a short walk. And you?
I woke up at 6, made coffee, and read a book. I like reading in the morning.
That sounds nice. What book are you reading?
It's a book about personal growth. It teaches small steps to improve every day.
Oh, I love books like that. I should try reading it too.
Sure, I can send it to you. It's easy to understand for beginners.
Thank you, Jason. That's very kind of you.
See? This is a very simple conversation, but it covers greetings, daily activities, and small talk.
Exactly. And the best part is, you don't have to be perfect. Just try to say simple sentences and keep the conversation going.
Yes. The more you practice small conversations like this, the more confident you will become.
So, viewers, try this with a friend, family member, or even by yourself. Record it, repeat it, and you'll see improvement quickly.
All right, Julia. Now let's talk about something many learners struggle with: the fear of judgment.
Yes, many people don't speak English because they worry about what others will think. They think, what if I sound silly? Or what if they laugh at me?
Exactly. And here's the truth. Most people are not paying that much attention. Everyone is busy with their own lives.
That's very true. And even if someone notices a mistake, it's not the end of the world. In fact, they might admire your courage to speak a new language.
So the key is to focus on yourself, not on others. Speak for your own learning and improvement, not for perfection.
A good tip is to start speaking in safe places, like with a supportive friend, online language partner, or even talking to yourself. Gradually, your confidence will grow.
And remember, every person who speaks a second language has made mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning and trying.
Exactly. So the next time you feel nervous, just take a deep breath and say your sentence. Don't worry about judgment. It's all part of the learning process.
Yes, focus on action, not perfection. The more you practice, the less fear will control you. All right, Julia, now it's time for something fun. Quick challenges that our viewers can start today to speak English.
Yes, these are simple exercises you can do at home, at work, or even on your phone. Small steps, but they really help you gain confidence.
Challenge number 1. Speak for 1 minute about your day. You don't need fancy words. Just describe what you did this morning, afternoon, or evening.
Exactly. For example, you can say, I woke up at 7, I ate breakfast, and I went for a walk. That's it. Short sentences are perfect.
Challenge number 2. Record a voice note in English. You can use your phone or computer. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Then listen to yourself and notice what you did well.
This is my favorite. It's like having a private conversation with yourself, and it's a great way to track your progress.
Challenge number 3. Talk to a friend, family member, or online language partner. Start with simple questions like, "How are you?" or "What did you do today?"
Yes, and if you don't have someone to talk to, try online communities or language apps. Even a short conversation counts.
Challenge number 4. Use your daily routine to practice English. Narrate your actions. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm opening my notebook. This makes speaking a habit.
And here's an extra tip. Celebrate small wins. Even if you speak just one sentence perfectly, give yourself a smile. Confidence grows with practice.
Exactly. These challenges may seem small, but they are powerful. Do one challenge today, another tomorrow, and you'll see real progress in just a few weeks.
So, viewers, pick one challenge and start right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to speak English is today.
All right, Julia, before we finish, let's quickly recap what we've learned today.
Yes. First, we talked about why beginners overthink, fear of mistakes, trying to be perfect, and worrying about what others think.
Then, we shared the most important mindset shift. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning.
We also gave practical techniques to start talking. Talking to yourself, shadowing, and narrating your daily routine.
And we even practiced a real conversation, so viewers could see how simple it is to start speaking English.
Plus, we discussed how to overcome the fear of judgment. Remember, most people aren't paying much attention and mistakes are normal.
Finally, we shared quick challenges that anyone can do today to practice English and build confidence.
So, viewers, the main message is simple. Stop thinking, start talking. Speak a little, make mistakes, and practice every day.
The more you speak, the more natural English will become. Don't wait for perfection. The key is action.
Yes, take small steps, be consistent, and celebrate every little progress. You are capable of speaking English confidently.
All right, Julia. That's it for today's episode on Stop Thinking, Start Talking.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed it and feel ready to speak English more confidently.
Don't forget to try one of the challenges we shared today and comment below which one you did. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss our next English learning tips.
Thanks for listening, and remember, the best way to learn English is to speak it.